Good evening. Let me lower the music a little bit over here. I think this should be fine. There we go. How you doing, Dr. Karlov? You're not into trading, so you know, it's not a stream for you. But, you know, for everybody else watching, 6 guys in the chat, 1 like, that's fine. The very first question you might have is, you know, why 227 bucks, man? Why 227 bucks to a million trading challenge? And the reason is very simple, is because I only have 227 bucks on my Bybit account. So, you know, we gotta do the 227 bucks to a million. Of course, it gotta be a million. It's cannot be, you know, 10,000, you know. We gotta put the bar very, very high and, you know, try to reach that bar. Either that or we blow our account. I mean, one of the 2 things is gonna happen: blow account or make 1 million, right? There is nothing in between. Now, why we are doing trading challenge again? If you remember, a while back we had long while back we had you know, 410 million trading challenge, and at one point that kind of just stopped out. I think we were at 2,000 something. At most we were at 2,000-3,000 something like that. I don't know, but we kind of stopped. Maybe it was even less than 1,000. I don't know. It kind of just stopped, you know. But I got nothing better to do. The markets are boring, and I got 227 bucks on my Bybit account. So I was like, you know, I don't want to just do the altcoins tonight stream, but I do want to stream. And I was like, you know what? Let's start trading. And you know, I'm not a trader again. I like invest. I consider myself an investor more than a trader. I like to hodl, but 5-minute charts and stuff like that, you know, why not? We know how to draw the lines, so you know, how hard can it be? Van team, how you doing, man? Hi, boys and girls. Bybit old school is cool. Of course, you know, all of these new exchanges, you know, I was considering, you know, whether we should do, you know, Qcoin or Bybit, but I think, you know, Bybit is more like, you know, traders exchange. So there's that. It is hard. Yeah, trading is hard, man. Trading is way too hard for me. Too much emotions. And you know, as some of you might know, I don't possess the emotional stability for this. So there is that. And you'll notice it after a while. Anyways, day 1. I don't know how long the stream is gonna be. Couple hours, 3 hours. I think our longest streams were like 4 or 5 hours back in the day, you know, just sitting waiting for entry. I mean, these streams are very, very boring. I mean, if you're into trading, it's probably very exciting for you. But if you're not into trading, these streams are very, very boring. Because trading is a lot of waiting, guys. It is a lot of waiting for something to happen. That's why we're going to try trading in 5-minute time frame. Because if you go to the 4-hourly time frame, I mean, what are we going to do right now? I mean, over here. What are we gonna do right now? You need to wait over here and then, you know, enter a position. But if you're on a 5-minute time frame, then you know, stuff moves a little bit quicker. I mean, I'm saying a little bit quicker because it can still take hours, you know, to get a good entry and stuff like that, right? I mean, if you find something, you instantly, you know, you're good to go. But you know, most of the time it's, you know, just waiting. Like over here, you know, impulsive move up here, extortion pattern breaking down. If you get some kind of retest over here, you might actually short it towards downside. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin up here, Bitcoin is right now 3.3% up, consolidating up here. If you look at the big time frames on Bitcoin up here, it's bouncing again towards the upside, and it might either get rejected by the 200 moving average or one of these over here. So there is that. Rota and Cheese, how you doing, man? What's up? Are you interested in the charts? By the way, guys, are you in any kind of trades right now? Long, short, anything like that? Look at this over here, man. The 50 moving average on the dollar. Isn't that nice, man? 50 moving average. Not emotional moving average, but you know, simple moving average. But we're gonna do everything over here, guys. We're gonna do everything, like, you know, Fibonacci and Elliott waves, volume profile, the moons, anything that can help us get those gains. Also, you know, 10% is a profit target, 20% is a profit target. I remember long a Bitcoin from 66.6. 66.6. Where is 66.6? Oh, that's nice, man. That's very nice. down here. You should wait a little bit over here because I was looking for this this dump over here. You can see the volume up here. This volume candle up here was, you know, capitulation candle. There is you know, anytime you see something, you know, slowly bleeding towards downside, oftentimes look for these capitulation candles when they break the support level and then come right back up there again. But you know, breaking the support level down here on the very small time frames, I think you can see that on the very small time frames over here. You can see up here it had even the double bottom over here, and then broke that and continued towards upside. So you trade, you know, you went long right over here. Trading forever waiting. Exactly, it is a lot of waiting. You know, I'm short Casta. Why are you be short Casta? I was just looking at Casta. You know, it's up 1.77% on the day. It is one, I think it's one of, you know, on my list, you know, there is, you know, 100 coins up here, but it's one of very, very few that's actually in green, and you are short on Casta. I don't get it, man. It looks strong, man. It looks very, very strong. Caspa, is Casta or Casta? Casta or Caspa? Is there something called Casta? There is actually Casta. Okay, you can short Casta, that's fine. Just messing. There is Casta and there is Caspa. You know, Big Tuna Crypto is in chat. How you doing? Maybe 58k again. I don't know. You know, I did see somebody post in the chat, you know, a little bit earlier today. Who was it? Over here. Somebody posted from some channel called Daniel Ramsey. I don't know who Daniel Ramsey is, but you know, he posted this chart, and somebody forwarded that in our Telegram channel. And you know, local distribution, and right now we're going back down to whatever this is. Oh, this is total market crypto, okay, but you know, whatever, it's gonna go back down to these lows down here again. If you look at Bitcoin, these lows are, what are these lows? These are low down here, so 58k again, right? So yeah, I mean, it's the same chart, right? Distribution pattern, and right now he thinks we're gonna go back down here again. I mean, can we do that? There's a lot of things that can happen. Long on Chili's. Yeah, everybody expecting Chili's to perform well because of the World Cup. I love Polkadot. I don't know if I love Polkadot, but I have no feelings for Dot at all, so there is that. But it does look like it might bounce though. But it's pulling back over here, a small time frame. So if you look at 5-minute time frame up here, it's pull back down here. But you know, these moves are, yeah, like if I caught like all the way up here, this move towards downside, I mean, that's almost a 1% move. So that's why we're gonna do, you know, 5 minutes trading, because you know, these moves go quick, and you know, 1% that's on 10x, that's 10%. All in Solana. I think we rallied to 67.5. Long CTK as well. CTK, I think I saw, no, I did not. CTK, what is CTK? Wow, this actually dumped. This candle is very, very nice. This 5 minutes chart, sorry, this 5 minute chart. It's pulling back. Alex Bola, I am a banana. Long Ondo. Somebody posted on Twitter right now, you know, top 10 RVA coins, and Ondo was at the top. I'm a little bit unsure, you know, what Ondo is doing. Right now it's up 5%. Ondo is doing nice. 1 hourly time frame. It's bouncing. Yeah, Ondo looks good. Can we trade Ondo and Bybit? This is also a question, you know, what can we trade? Oh, yes, we can actually trade Ondo and Bybit, which is good. Nice. So you know, when we're picking what we're gonna trade, it gotta be on Bybit because we are on Bybit. So there is that. We got a public Telegram channel, guys. We got a public Telegram channel. So where are we gonna start? So what are we gonna do? Like, how are we gonna find our trades? This hitting resistance level, so you know, it might be a shorting opportunity up here somewhere, but it is breaking kind of trend up here. It's been going for a very long time. Double bottom up here, the, you know, momentum up here, so it can actually bounce a lot higher than that. So you know, we're not gonna do Ondo, that's for sure right now. Ooh, look at Cardano. Look at it move up here. This is capitulation candle up here. See this volume on this candle up here. Right now it's pulling back. I would like to, you know, if we could get some kind of you know, there was double bottom over here. This looks like it wants to go. I would like the, you know, third, inverse head and shoulders pattern up here, somewhere up here, and then go towards the upside. I mean, if that happens, we can actually long Cardano. We could actually long Cardano. Too many lines. You know what we're gonna do with Cardano? We're gonna do it like this. See, here is breaking the 50 moving average towards the downside. But this move up here is exhaustion pattern, so, you know, can it go lower towards the downside? I mean, definitely can. But right now, I think it's a move for it's a up move very soon. Let's see down here. The daily is sitting at 35. Momentum is kind of going a little bit, you know, towards the downside over here. No overextensions. Let's go to 4-hourly time frame up here. Oh, 4-hourly. Yeah, a lot of 4-hourly time frames did hit these, you know, very, very low RSI levels. Momentum is also up here very, very nice. So Cardano does indeed look like nice long positions, but I would like on the small time frames, this 15 minutes time frame, this 5 minutes time frame, I would like if Cardano could do another move towards downside over here, even though it did break over here, everything, right? So I would like, you know, if this can get rejected a little bit towards downside. How much towards downside can it go? 1%. We can actually short Cardano because of this. It is at resistance level, and I think it can actually go down a little bit. Do we have anything on big time frames now? Or the entered long. I was just actually looking at a BRC20 token. I was cleaning up my tabs over here because I had like 30 tabs up here, so I was cleaning up everything just before the stream, and this BRC20 tokens, you know, came up over here. Let me just reload this page up here. Why is this not popping up? Regardless. And I was looking at the charts, and already over here after this stop up here, pulled back a whole bunch. Wojak coin. Wow, Wojak explode up here. Since May. Wow, Wojak explode for 0.44. I think it did 100-200% or something like that. Where can you trade these BRC20 tokens? What does this mean? Is it, you know, why is this problem? Why do everybody, all of this has this, you know, triangle? What does this mean? I don't know. 1.1 billion, but everything else is, you know, 80 million, something like that. Since you follow Ara, I was wondering what you think of Cody. I don't know what I think of Cody like. We're just looking for something good to trade. Guys, if you got something, a nice setup, something like that, you're welcome to tell me. I'll take your trade, man. Can you watch Dynex bull running? Is Dynex running? It's not on Bybit, we don't care. Coty. Coty is on Bybit. Everything is breaking down, but it's on the daily, this 3 day, 2 day, 1 day. I think everything needs a little bit pump right now. Smash like, guys, smash like. Currently looking for us ready for us max C. Yeah, no, we just doing the Bybit stuff. See over here, there is also this double bottom up here. I think a lot of coins have the same kind of pattern up here at the bottom right now at these 5 minutes time frames. 50 minutes, 5 minute time frames, the same. BNB double bottom up here, failing to break up. 4-hourly candle is closing in 14 minutes, which is actually quite nice. If the 4-hourly candle is closing in 14 minutes, then that means that we might just get some very, very nice moves towards upside. But before we actually get that, once, you know, after this 14 minutes, we might get a pullback before the big move. So I think we're gonna wait for the 4-hourly candle. Everything needs a pump. I think, you know, small pump, everything needs that. Yes, indeed, in fact. I think we need to wait for this 4-hourly because I think it's gonna create this small wick towards downside, which might be very, very nice. So after, yeah, I think, you know, this is 15 minutes time frame. So one more candle, this candle up here. Once this candle is done, I think it might actually go a little bit lower down here, and then it might go towards the upside, right? So you got these triple bottoms, and then it goes towards the upside, breaks the resistance, because right now it's at resistance. I don't know what it is, something like this. That might be the case, right? But we are a little bit overextend towards NASA, but not that much. Monthly is, wow, this pullback to the 10 moving average on the weekly time frame, man, that's so nice. And Binance going up. And this drop down was quite heavy, man. This drop was 16% move. I sold the top. Now, nice, very nice. Now you need to find a way to buy the bottom. At 708. You did that, man. At 708. No way, man. You're like Mladen, man. Nice, very nice. How did you know? How did you know? How did you know this is the top, man? What made you sell? Small time frames, big time frames, indications, distribution. Sold the bottom. That's more impressive, man. But gosh, very nice, very nice. Congratulations, you're doing well. There's also the support line over here, right? Check double bottom. Yeah, everything is double bottom on small time frames. Already 100 plus gain, so I took it. Smart, very, very smart. For traders, you gotta, anything above 10% is good, especially if you do some leverage. I think so. It kind of depends, but there is that. But Binance Coin, sure, why not, man? Nice move up here. 4-hourly time frame, nothing. So are you gonna trade? No, we're not in a trade just yet. So now I can add more to my longer term positions. Yeah, that's good. Or you can use, and all of that, do like DGen 50x on something. I mean, why not? Let's check some other coins. Let's see if there is anything that actually did, ooh, this looks nice. Waves look nice, man. Oh, look at his doji up here. Double doji in 14 minutes. Ooh, waves look nice, guys. Ooh, man. I know Waves got delisted, right? Waves got delisted and it dropped down 46%. Waves is that? Yeah, it got delisted. Why it got delisted? Let me see over here. We'll do it over here. Waves delisted. Binance will delist. OMG, Waves, blah blah blah, exam. This general announcement for Binance periodically review each digital asset we list and ensure that it continues to meet high level standards. When you conduct this review, consider for commitment to the team or project level of quality, trading volume, stability, network level of communication, blah blah blah. Based on our recent review, we have decided to delist and cease trading on all spot trading pairs. Oh, this is bad. For the following tokens, that's Omisego, Waves, NEM. NEM is dead, like we already knew that. Please note, the exact trading pairs removed are OMG, Waves. But do you have Waves BTC? But this has just spot. You can still trade them on like degens on derivatives, though, I think. Did Bybit remove XUSD pair? I don't think so. Why would they do that? AGI, AGX. No, it's only spot. But derivative is removed. I don't know why. Very step call like TUSD, so it's done, I think. I don't know, man. It looks good to me over here, man, at the bottom. Like for a trade, I think it might be nice. It might do something like 12% move. I got notification it being removed. Yeah, a lot of people did. If you're on Binance and stuff like that, right? Yeah, it's pretty much that. It does look that, but it's down at 30. And never say never. You remember what happened with Luna when Luna crashed to zero? People traded that like, you know what. So, there's still a lot of fire in Waves. It's not like, I would consider a coin dead if it goes like for a couple of years and nobody cares. If nobody cares about your coin, then it's dead. But as long as people care, it's not that. Even though it's delisted, it's actually good because there is some, you know, some talk about waves. So there's that. Let's see up here. Wow, this was so low and it went sideways up here. 4 hourly. 1 hourly. Let's see volume on this thing over here. Paulo Edu for using Bybit. What's a Paulo Edu? I don't know. Paulo Edu is the only way to trade on Bybit. Palau Edu. What is Palau Edu? Challange skyrocketed right away. Challange. I don't know what Challange is. Plaido. Still don't know what this is. I mean, look at these moves. I mean, people are trading these moves. These are 5% moves on 5-minute charts. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. Like in 1 hour, you can get like, you know, what was that? 2.5%. Like, insane. Insane. Volatility deluxe. By the way, Bitcoin is pumping. What about hamster listing tomorrow? Who's listing hamster? So we got 7 minutes left on the. So we're gonna come back to the waves. Let's just go and look at the 4 hourly time frames up here. Do I see anything like really exciting? I think waves was very exciting, but when it was down here at the bottom. I think right now after the 4 hourly there might be a nice trade because everything's gonna pull back a little bit. Tron is looking very strong, like it's down just 0.8%, but Tron has been strong for a very, very long while. So, yeah. What's happening with Kaspa, man? Kaspa looks strong. It was strong. It was the only one in green. Bouncing. Cool, good. Now I'm using Max, but apparently not for long. Okay, let's see. How long did it take you to get it once you paid? You didn't saw Hamster Ton game too late adapter. Yeah, it's very late. I don't know what that kind of game is. Pepe pumping hard. Don't tell me meme coins are pumping. Ooh, Pepe is actually pumping hard. But I don't see anything right now. But if Pepe is pumping, then all of these are gonna pump. I think we need to wait after the 4 hourly close. I mean, stuff might actually go away from us, but I think we're gonna wait after the 4 hourly close. Because on 4 hourly close there might be, I'm saying might be, because there is a slight chance that stuff will pull back a little bit. Because a lot of stuff has this, you know, green candles, right? See, Gala is actually doing pretty terrible down here. What do we say up here? Let me see, ape. I don't want to look at ape. Engine coin. Where was it? Was BNB we're looking at? BNB in Polkadot, yeah, BNB in Polkadot, yeah. But this move down, I think, you know, a week down and then towards the upside, right? That is the play right now. What about Nut coin? There is a coin called Nut. Nut coin. See what's funny about that? You see what's funny about that? It's a Nut coin. And Polkadot, yeah, Polkadot was the other one. No, it wasn't Polkadot. What was it? I don't know. Maybe it was only BNB. I don't know. Guys, we got a public Telegram chat if you're interested. On that note, does this still work? 5-minute break. It does work. Okay, let's take 5-minute break because I think I forgot my Coke and I gotta go quick, you know, a couple of minutes outside. So while we are waiting, you know, for 5 minutes until the 4 hourly close, you know, let's chill down a little bit, and we'll come back. There we go. Got my Coke. Let's remove the 5-minute stuff from the screen. Welcome. What is TG link? TG link is on top of the, there we go. It's on top of the chat. I don't know if you can scroll up there or somewhere in the comments as well. So the description, there's link. But we got a 4-hour close, guys. We got a 4-hour close. Polkadot didn't break 10-20 moving range, but it does look strong for it wants to go up. So look at 1 hour up here. I mean, it can go all the way down here. These bottoms, right? But we're gonna do 5 minutes stuff. Yeah, I got reject over here right now, pulling the break down to the bottom. I saw it's not actually a link. Yeah, it's not like you gotta go in description. There is the actual link. But it's pretty straightforward. T.me/TFN stub. T1 could be a good for long-term hold up to 0.026. By the way, I think I missed something now. I mean, yeah, maybe it's good for a long-term hold, but you know, right now we're just looking for trades. Kaspa 2.2 up. 4 hourly. Kaspa even have that week on the downside out here a little bit. Oh, there is the big divergence in the Kaspa. No, there is not big divergence up here. This is going down. We could actually short Kaspa. No, it looks, you know, strong coins, we don't want to short strong coins. We want to long strong coins and we want to short weak coins. I think so. I don't know. Maybe. Bitcoin, I think it's going to pull back a little bit over here right now. There is double bottom up here in 30-minute chart. 200 moving average didn't break that, failed to break that. It's gonna go down a little bit, pulling back below the support level. What do we say about Cardano? Did Cardano have this double bottom down here? Yeah. So over here right now, Cardano might actually break down. Is this gonna be our first trade? Because it can break down over here very easily right now. That's what we are actually looking for everything right now. Let's go to 5-minute time frame over here. Do we have any kind of divergence and stuff like that? Yeah, this is gonna break down. But we are not catching the top. How much is towards the upside? 0.28, something like that. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go Cardano. Ah, that USDT. I think this is the one, right? 5-minute time frame. Yeah, but it's too late right now. We are not catching up here at the top. Tiela, why no beard? Did you get a divorce? Once a year I gotta shave. Maybe it has some kind of a retest or something like that. Maybe you do that. I think it's a little bit too late to enter a short on this one. Where is BNB? Yeah, BNB. Still following the plan though. Jupiter. 1 inch. ARB. Cake. Where is these strong coins that are pulling down? Kaspa. 10, 15 minutes. I mean, technically we could short Kaspa as well, but look at this. Kaspa just looks very strong. Kaspa just looks very strong. ICP, what's happening on ICP, man? Near. Ooh, Solana. So, did everything just pull back? I think everything did pull back already right now. So we should probably be looking for a long position somewhere over here. See, it was too late. Neglect, long time no see. Good to see you still active. I was arrested this bull. What? Well, you know, it's nice that you're back now at the ending of the bull market. So there's that long Solana. 6.66 up here. Let's see a bigger time frames up here. Yeah, Solana has some nice moves. $148. The trend is your friend until it felt like these things, right? I think it needs to come down. Like, I think a lot of stuff needs to do this, you know, triple bottom over here. I don't know why. Call me crazy. So I think everything is going to go down a little bit. So we are waiting for that. It can take a while. Like we said in the start of the stream, these streams can be long, very, very boring, unfortunately. And, you know, but at one point there comes, you know, that nice entry point that you just gotta take. Ooh, inch. If inch goes a little bit down and then retests, we might even short that. Look at this slow move towards downside, man. This is just bleed. Oh my god, we can actually long. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Look at the doji on the 4 hourly. Oh, that's nice. This is gonna do a big move towards upside. Oh, that's nice. Oh, we're gonna long inch, guys. We're gonna long inch. Or scalp X. No, we're not touching XRP. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, Doge strong. I don't know about Doge if it's strong. Pepe is doing it better. But look at his Doge on the 4 hourly. Oh my god, this is nice. Where is the supports? Held the support like a champ. Held this. Look at that. Look at his support, man. Just stop doing that, man. Oh, this is nice. We gotta do this. We cannot miss this one. Where are we gonna long this over here? 4 hourly. I mean, it is on support. Let's go daily. Let's go up here. Let's remove everything. Daily. 50. 20. 10. 5. Big moves down. So if we go to 4 hourly, sorry, if we go to daily, and support this moving average up here. How much is this downside over here? 4%. Shit. But it looks so nice on the, wow, this looks so nice. I'm gonna do it, but it needs to do something. But there is no pattern. Like it kind of just goes down. Like there is literally no pattern over here. So, you know, if you get double bottom or something like that, like that's nice. But right now, you know, I'm a little bit worried because there is no pattern over here. Look at these. Look at it. Look at these. Look at these candles, man. What is this? What is this? Pepper with more blue papier. I don't know what papier is, but you know. Touch 200 moving average. Sitting at 40 levels over here. Still breaking down. Overextend on the downside. Consolidation pulling back, pull back. There are any kind of divergence up here. There is no divergence on the chart. Daily. There is no divergence on daily, but there is no divergence on bearish divergence either. I just brought your expos regarding LED lamp. Did you? I had LED lamps, like guys. I had LED lamps. You see right now, I actually don't have light in my room right now because this LED lamp went, and I bought this. This is the new LED lamp. The last one lasted, I think, 3 years. And this one lasted, I think, a year and a half, maybe even less than that. And now I have to change entire LED lamp again. I think you could buy one of these Alibaba Taobao International, just need to disconnect and connect the wires instead of changing the whole lamp. Yeah, I mean, that could be the case, but you know, they're not expensive, but you know, you have to, you know, disconnect and turn off the power. Like, it's just so much hassle. Just, I'm gonna buy a new lamp, but I'm gonna buy a lamp where you can just, you know, stick the LED light inside. What do you think about just go all in with 5x and hope tomorrow CPA that? I think that's crazy. But you know, people do get rich that way, but they also get wrecked that way. So, you know, it's up to you, man. I love lamp. Oh my god, I want to long the inch right now. Because of this dodge over here and holding the support level down here. It's pulling back a little bit. But I see nothing. I literally see nothing. Like, do you think I see anything on inch over here? I mean, there is a channel maybe. Let's go 1 hour time, 1 minute time frame over here. I don't see anything, guys. Do you see something? Should go over here somewhere. Let's go over here. Pepe come to resistance, check out. Sure, man. Let's check out Pepe. He says coming to resistance. Time frame. What kind of time frame? Resistance. 4-hourly time frame. Double bottom up here. Can I show that? Look at these candles over here, man. Dun, 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 dun. It looks bullish. What do you think of no trading this week? What do you mean, what do I think about no trading this week? We just started, man. This is day 1. What am I gonna do entire week if you don't trade? What do you mean no trading this week? What kind of question is that? No trading this week. What am I gonna do? Did anything pull back at all, man? Do we have any kind of decent pullbacks? Ooh, cake. Cake, see, Cake did this this move over here. Why is Cake so weak? Can we trade Cake over here? Perpetual, yeah, you can trade Cake on Cardano. I have no pullback up here. Still holding. Like, we need to long stuff. We cannot short stuff. Cake actually do nothing. What are your thoughts on Phantom? Not so much. Where is Phantom 6.3? Phantom has also this bottom down here. Let me see the volume. The best case scenario right now, if we get a volume candle, that will be very, very nice. Just replies XRP. Inge is down 9.3%, guys. 9.3%. it goes into this, you know, kind of box over here. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, inverse head and shoulders. From CPA data, this is perfect for a wreck down. I mean, of course, but you know, traders need volatility, right? So you could trade on slow days, and it can maybe work out, or you can be right on the, you know, volatility days, and you can make a lot more money. Both rect and short squeeze. Yeah, I also seen people talking about, you know, short squeeze on Bitcoin on X, because there is like 10 billion in shorts right now, above 74k or something like that. Bitcoin is at 3%. See, Bitcoin got something, right? I mean, it's not much, but it's something over here, I think. Right. It is something. There's a little bit, you know, move up here. I mean, we can even short Bitcoin up here. You can't short Bitcoin because it needs to drop pretty heavily towards the downside. I'm 20x long at 149 or so. Wish me luck. Good luck, man. Where is Solana? 149. You're already underwater. I'm gonna short Sol. Where is our Polkadot up here? Polkadot still pulling back down. Sorry about that. Put that over here. Cardano. Can we short Cardano? I think we can short Cardano. I mean, everything up here is short a bull, but it looks strong though. Like, you can short term, and I want a long inch. I'm just a little bit unsure when. I mean, it's already pumped, and there is like, even on 1 hourly, you just got one move down. You got nothing. Like, there is no pattern over here that you can trade or anything like that. Just need not to go below 142. How? Yeah, 25x is a lot, man. 25x is a lot on Solana. 142. It's all the way down here. So it's similar to STX, similar thing. STX, let's check it out. He says it's similar. 4 hourly. No, it's not similar, because over here you got a big 4 hourly candle over here towards the upside, and then there is the channel towards the downside up here. This has been trending towards the downside for a while. Right now it's actually at resistance levels. All right, it's almost at resistance levels. It's not like Solana, man. It's nothing. Sorry, it's nothing like Inch has this very beautiful doji over here, and it looks, the way I see it, it looks good. It looks very good for a long, but we are not catching long down here, so we need something else. Or might be pro to put us in his long position at it. To be honest, you get a good short scalp on Solana here. I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, over here, this already had a pullback. I think we might actually miss it over here. Are we just gonna FOMO long up here at the top? This looks so good, man. This is the box right now, climbing outside box. It looks so strong, man. As you said, what happened to Avi? No clue, man. Yeah, but the problem with the, I mean, how do you trade V shapes? Like, you know, like, patterns are easy, you know, you get some kind of pattern, you know what's gonna happen, you know, usually, you know, patterns, you know, they do this, they do that, and then they, you know, go this way. But V shapes, like, you're betting on something is gonna just V-shape right back up there again. But I really like this, you know, this. It already had the pullback. I don't know if it's gonna have more pullbacks. Let's see. But it was going inside this trend over here. So there is right now this line over here. We could catch it back down on the bottom over here and then long it from over here, put some kind of stop loss right below that. Please, no FOMO. It's easy. Minus 30 resistance, short squeeze, longs, then pump it, baby. Minus 30 resistance, short squeeze longs, squeeze longs, then pump it up, baby. Where are these my lines coming from? Oh, that's resistance level up here. That resistance level. There's also this nice trend over here. Come on, give me something, man. Give me something. You're doing a pullback, that's for sure. You look so much better with short hair. It's okay. I like short hair better because I don't have to wash it that often. And when I wash it, it dries out very fast. And I like short beard. No, I like long beard because I don't have to cut it all the time. So, you know, long beard, short hair. I'm a very simple guy, you know. I'm very simple. It can take a while, guys. It can take a while. So we just wait. I think we kind of figured something out. We want Cardano to go a little bit more down. Although on the big time frames, you know, you got nothing beside, you know, beside this, you know, triple bottom over here. 1, 2, and then, you know, 3, and then go towards upside, right? So if you want to long Cardano, we want to go a little bit more down. Polkadot, I don't know, man. Polkadot. I want to, you know, maybe short up here, Polkadot over here. This would be nice short, like it's only 86%. And then we are talking about inch because inch looks so good, so good, so nice. Maybe we get a doji, maybe we get a pullback and then a right back up there again, right? But so far it's holding the support level over here. What about ETH? Is rally not over? No, ETH is doing fine. It's just pulling back. ETH is doing very fine. Look down on ETH. I think everything needs another move down over here. I know this is double bottom and then it's curving up here and goes down and then breaks the resistance level, right? That's usually the case, right? It goes like this over here. It goes big time, double bottom, goes up here, goes down and then breaks and goes towards upside. I mean that's how usually these things work. At least from, you know, my experience. You never know, but there's that. There could always be that 5-minute time frame. We could have shorted something, right? I don't want to short inch right now, even though it's at the resistance level. Ooh. ETC. Can we short ETC? BTC reversal formation. Dominance reversal. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.33%. I don't know if it's reversal right now. Short Kaspa. No, Kaspa looks strong. I don't want to touch Kaspa on a shorts. Like if this like Kaspa is right now up on the daily time frame 1.8%. How many coins are up 1.8% on a daily time frame? It's a strong coin, right? So even if it hits resistance and pulls back, it's not gonna be a big pullback and can even pump really fast. Yeah, we are not touching. I mean, if you wanna do something, Casper is gonna be a long position, even though it might go towards downside, but we are not gonna touch it. We're not touching Casper. Not on this stream though. Where is inch? Here. It would have been nice. Do you know what we haven't looked in a while, guys? Crypto bubbles. In a long while, I haven't actually looked at it. So in a weekly, Brett is up 38.4%. By the way, can we trade Brett over here? You can actually trade Brett on Bybit, guys. You can actually trade Brett on Bybit. Imagine trading Brett on Bybit and this thing moves. Did you see that? Entire candle up here, 1.4%. I mean, this is 5-second charts, guys. This is not for the week, man. 1% in 1 second or something like that, 5 seconds. This is not for the week, you know. We don't want to do 10x on this kind of volatility. This is just way too much, even for me, man. Not even for me, but you know, it's just way too much. This daily, 4 hourly. It is breaking the trend over here. We should definitely short Brett. Maybe if Brett comes, you know, triple top over here, we might short it. I'm gonna add Brett. Is Brett meme coin? I'm gonna put in meme coins. I don't know. I got sections over here. Where are my meme coins over here? Brett. There we go. Let me look at Brett on Maxi. How much did this go from the bottom? Was over here? 6x. Double top. Double top on what? Double top on what? But this is just way too volatile, man. I mean, these moves are like 3-4% moves. Double top on Brett. Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like double top up here. Try to go up here. Broke down. At least this latest trend up here, it's broken. Which is actually good for short positions right now. I mean, but you know, it's too late to short now. Like over here, this is shortable, but this over here is a more longable than shortable, right? So, you know, if it goes up here, you know, create this triple top over here, that is shortable, and it goes down and then does this, maybe. But it's small time frames. Small time frames. So let's see. We're gonna keep following Brett as well. Just see, you know, if we are right in our theory that, you know, it does that move towards the upside. Let me see a little bit, but you know, we don't have anything on big time frames up here. Yeah, there is big difference up here right now, pulling back down. Pulling back down. There are our extensions now. It's tough pulling back, guys. It's tough pulling back. Cardano did break, kinda did break this line over here. Right now pulling back. Let's see, inch coin. Oh man, this is so sad. It looks so strong. You use Bybit? Yeah, we use Bybit. It looks so strong. Look at inch, man. Look at inch. You know what? No, I don't want to short inch. Even though there is channel over here. You can see the channel. Right. So right over here, you know, we can actually short this over here. But I don't want to do that, because there is a very good chance, because this is such a good setup, that can actually break this towards the upside. But right now we got something, some kind of channel over here, which is nice. Maybe go something like this over here. Do we have divergences over here? 10-minute time frame. There is no divergence on 10-minute time frame over here, you know. But the momentum is kind of, you know, lacking a little bit. I don't want to short it over here. I don't want to short it. Metal double bottom. Metal. Double bottom on what time frame? 4 hourly. I don't know if you can call this double bottom over here. I mean, on small time frames, maybe it's double bottom. Weekly. I mean, on daily, it is coming back down to these levels. Maybe soon. Popcat. Popcat is a Bybit. This looks nice, but not quite. Volume decreasing on inch daily. Metal daily. No, metal doesn't have anything on daily. If you go to daily time from up here, I mean, I wouldn't say that this over here is double bottom. Like over here, maybe, you know, these wicks and some stuff like that. But no. Volume decreasing on inch time frame. Daily time frame did pull out down a lot. Like, it looks good even on the daily time frame, 4 hourly time frame. It just looks so good, man. It already had this dump down. I think how much is it down to the bottom over here? 1%. During this move up here, but this consolidation move, even though the volume is going up, it's not you know, pump move where the volume goes down. It's consolidation move. Consolidation move should have this kind of moves, this kind of volume. I like Inge, man. Inge is okay in my book. Kaspa, it is strong, but on 4 hourly we got nothing. I mean, technically we got something on 4 hourly, but go for it, Tila. You want it. Yeah, I want it. But let's be patient. Let's wait. I don't know how long we're gonna wait, but you know, it might happen that we miss. We did a lot of, you know, previously on trading challenges, like we did a lot of streams where we didn't trade because we waited for too long, and after 4 or 5 hours it's like, you know what, we're just gonna go to sleep because we get too tired waiting. EVX being dirty. I got EVX up here somewhere. There we go. Yeah, stuff is not pulling back. Like, is this double bottom over here? Not double bottom, is this? I haven't broken anything, just pulling back. Nothing looks like actually that weak. Nothing, even Cardano up here, it pulled back down a little bit, and right now just going right back up there again. Stuff doesn't look weak. It's actually performing well this bull cycle. Yeah. How do you know when this is gonna break out? How do you know that? How do you know when this is gonna break out? The entire thing over here. Can we? Then you have the move up here. And broke down, right back up there again. And there's 1 hourly. This is what strong coins do. You kind of wait for a pullback. You kind of wait for something to, you know, to happen in the other direction, but you know, every support holds and they kind of slowly climb. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is pulling back. My clock is not actually right. Let me just fix the clock. Yeah, clock is correct right now. So this is the 4-hourly up here. Right now, maybe there might become some kind of short-term move down. Now, if Bitcoin moves down, there is a good chance for everything to move down. Something like this. Let's look at some other coins quickly over here. Let's look at a 4-hourly just to see, you know, what they are doing. See this candle over here on the 4-hourly. No, this candle up here, but it's not done. It just opened. Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Major resistance levels up here. Give or take, you can see these stops on 0.6. I think it unlocked all of the tokens a few months back. That's why it has stalled in price last couple of months. But prior to that, it was performing really good last year, especially. I think it's just gonna continue performing well eventually. There is a lot of excitement about Inch, for whatever reason that might be. Because long in out resistance is not the way to go. So either midline over here, but you know, midline already had like 2 touches up here. And CT Crew is pushing it a lot. Yeah, crypto Twitter. It's not CT Crews, it's CX Crew. CX. Everything is so slow. So slow. Like this looks like it wants to go down. Solana broke down. 48. Sui. This coin is actually quite you know, 100% move pump. It just keeps on bleeding. As soon as Captain sees, you know, trading in the thumbnail, she's like, oh, I gotta check this out. How you doing, Captain? Long time no see. I missed you. How's your trading going? Harmony 1. You don't care about my Bitcoin dailies, but you do care about my trading. Five time frame. CXRD. XLM. Okay, let's push down a little bit. Busy. Got promoted at work to sergeant. Trading going pretty good. I'm fond of trading Myro. I'm guessing that last sentence was a little bit off, but you're trading Myro. How's Myro doing right now? Congratulations on becoming a sergeant. I don't know how high or low that is, or or how that works, but you know, congratulations. You know, promotions are always nice. I hope you got a bigger paycheck. You know, because you're fond of Myro, yeah. I hope you got a bigger paycheck. I mean, why would anybody else wanna, you know, increase in rank, get promotion, get more responsibility without getting bigger paycheck? I mean, some people might, you know, do that. I hope you did get a better paycheck. Oh, this parabolic move up here, distribution up here, broke down, bleeding down big time. It's looking for a bottom like everything else. Thanks, means I'm a boss. 10k extra a year. There you go! Money! Very nice, very nice. Congratulations. You're doing something good at your work. Da, 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 da. Maybe we should just, you know, short everything, because everything looks like he wants to dump down. Like this over here looks like he wants to dump down big time. But I'm bullish. I'm too bullish to short. Even these 5-minute time frames, man. Chilies. What looks good? My last Mario trade cashed out 254%. Damn! How many X's did you do? 10x, 20x? Yeah. We are only going for 10x over here. Sorry, 10% over here. We are not trying to do anything like, you know, crazy. You know, 10% fine. No problem. See, it pulls back, but just keeps on holding on. This move up here. One hourly closing in 17 minutes. That's gonna be interesting. Look at the box, man. Look at the box. How much is down over here? 33%. When I did 13 is on spot, Trash started trading it. Who's Trash? I think I'm in love with Inch, guys. I think I'm in love with Inch. I would just like to see something nice. Into a trade of if it gets to 0.17. Mario gets to 0.17. Oh, it's a long way down. Oh, this low, yeah. So you probably trade it somewhere around here towards the upside over here. Pozdrav, bratre, sretno. Hvala, hvala. I tebi. Svrati opet jedan drugi put. Look comp, it's climbing. Comp. Yeah, everything is climbing like over here, but... I mean, these moves look like they want to go down for another move. Like I'm telling you guys, these moves look like they want to do another move before they actually break out. Sorry, I don't have that. It's okay. A little Mario long still is up 700%. Very nice. See? Even Captain thinks it's very nice. EMX, Ilvium, Gala, Pixel, AXS. I'm getting old. We all are getting old, man. So it's gonna catch up. You know, I'm just waiting for that as well. Like I'm 40 something years old right now, and my dad, I think he's in 50s, 60s or something like that. Like his vision went, you know, down the drain, and I think it's gonna get me at 50, 60 as well. It's just the way life is. Hey, dude. Hey, young brew. What's up? How you doing, man? How about Sui? I'm looking to get a long on it soon. Sui. Yeah, this looks nice. So the thing about Sui up here, it's creating this bottom over here, right? The problem with these bottoms, when you see very, you know, very established bottom, oftentimes you get a, you know, wick down here. I'm saying oftentimes because it's not always. I'm 53. There you go. You see, as soon as we get, you know, go past 50, like the vision goes down, and I know it's gonna happen to me as well. As soon as I, you know, get above that 50, you know, number, you know, my vision is gonna go through the drain. But there was a, you know, the trend over here that kind of broke, continued down over here, retest, continue up here. Now there is another trend over here that went something like this over here, I think, but kind of didn't, because this over here is going towards upside. But let's say it did over here. Then there is the trend over here. I think it goes over here. Something like, I can see my keyboard. Something like this. That means that there is a channel over here. So these lows down here, I mean, it is a bottom up here, but you know, when is exactly gonna, you know, bounce? I'm about a 0.80 if that hits that low. 88. Yeah, that's exactly on the line down here. There is a good chance for it. I mean, you know, the problem is that once you start, you know, zigzagging in a channel, it's hard to say when it's gonna, you know, end. At least for me, I don't know how to figure that out yet. If I knew that, then, you know, everything would be easy. Young bro, you're 25. Been a while, yeah, been a while, man. How you doing? See, even Cardano cannot dump. Even Cardano cannot dump. What is this madness, guys? Even Cardano cannot dump. How is this even possible? Why is nothing dumping? I only got 3x leverage though. Smart. Smart. I've been watching crypto for a couple of months now. Seems like it's been sideways for a whole time. Yeah, we've been just talking for the last couple of, you know, days that nobody cares about crypto right now. Literally nobody cares. That's why we are doing trading challenge, because I was like, yeah, I mean, there might be some interest in trading or something like that, so let's do that. But nobody cares about crypto right now. Literally nobody. I'm gonna show you a chart. I'm gonna show you a chart. Look at this chart. This is new YouTube views, and down here you can see, you know, Coin Bureau, Cryptos Are Us, The Moon Call, Crypto, you know, Elliot Trades, Crypto Banter, all of these guys, right? So these are the views on they have on their YouTube channel. And what you can see up here right now, down here at the bottom, Bitcoin sitting at 70k, give or take, and it is lowest engagement ever. You understand? Nobody cares, especially for the last 3 months. Like, see, last 3 months from the very top, the engagement just went down through the drain. That's why we are so bullish, because we know what's coming. 35 is good, 2x, not more. I would say spot only. Like, I would do spot only. Like, this is only for fun. There's a lot of nervousness about potential World War 3 inbound. It takes time, man. 2x plus is gambling. 2x is gambling. Spot is gambling. Pepe Nondara only wants green on my list. Yeah, I mean, there are a couple of greens on my list. Like, I'll show you. Kaspa is 1.39%. Leo is up 0.9%. This is, you know, the Bitfinex coin. GNS, I don't know what this is, but it is in green, 1.16. PDEX is up 1.34. Baby Dodge is up 12%. Pepe is up 5%. Bonk is up 0.7%. Wow, Baby Dodge is up 12%. Yeah, but these are volatile coins. There is something called like Spectrus that's up 19%. I don't know why I have this so even over here. I think this is some kind of game or something like that. Ondo 3.8, ATR 8.1%. This actually broke the trend over here. Very nice. Gotta go was awesome getting it to catch you live. Captain was awesome having you here. Interesting. Nah. World wars take time, guys. They need to be built up. Nobody wants a world war. I mean, some people might want a world war and stuff like that, but they cannot happen overnight. Nothing happens overnight. And it's been going for a while, but you know, if there is gonna be a world war, you know, escalation needs to happen slowly, and then all at once. until the, you know, but it's gonna take a while, so I don't see problems just yet. So we got time, you know. Bitcoin can pump to the moon before that. 5 minutes of Bitcoin right now, still pushing back down. You see up here bleeding down. Everyday news where it's war, war, war. Yeah, but news are always like that. Don't watch the news, man. It's good. I mean, it is playing out. Like this move towards downside is playing out. Now the big question is how much down is gonna go, and will inch do the same kind of move down? Because it looks like it wants to break down over here, which would be very nice. And on the 4-hourly time frame, it is still pulling back. Still 3 hours left, so you know there is a whole bunch of time left. And it's getting rejected by this 10 moving average, so it might pull back a little bit more. Like I'm telling you, like V-shape patterns are not my thing, but you know, some kind of patterns, something. So if it pulls back down, it will be creating something over here that might look like a pattern and then go towards the upside, right? So we're gonna see that. Okay, 5-minute break again, guys. I'm telling you, like these trading stream can take a while, guys. They are like 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hour streams. It's really boring. Trading is so boring. I don't know why people trade. It is the most boring thing to do. Longer, not boring. See what Bitcoin is doing. Going to consolidation over here. 4 hourly. Daily. I think we're on long inch right now. Well, just seen S&P 500. Surely a big upside move is on the table for Bitcoin within the next month or two. I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna long it over here. I mean, and we're gonna put stop loss somewhere on the midline, right? 5% down, 5% loss, 5-minute break. If we close above 10 moving average, I think we're gonna long inch. Because we've been streaming right now for 1.5 hours, so you know, we need some excitement in our lives. So we're gonna do inch over here, USDT, there we go. We're gonna do isolated confirm 10x market 100%. There we go. But it kind of looks like it's breaking down over here. Like when I look at this chart over here, it kind of looks like it's breaking down. Let's wait a little bit. Why 227 in particular? Good question, man. I answered the question at the very start of the stream, and the answer is pretty simple. Because that's the amount I have on Bybit. I didn't want to transfer anything, but you know, I wanted to do, you know, a trading challenge again, and you know, so I was like, yeah, I got 227 bucks. Let's do that. So, but you know, that is the very first question I answered in the start of the stream. You know, because I know people are gonna be wondering, hey man, why exactly 227? Why not, you know, 100 bucks, 400 bucks, 1,000, whatever, right? Because of that exact reason. That's the only thing I had on Bybit. And I didn't want to transfer anything and stuff like that, so it's okay. 54 seconds left. Let's see 1 minute time frame. Do we have anything 1 minute time frame? It's consolidating. I think we can just long it right now. Let's long it and just, you know, bet that it's gonna close above. Yeah, let's do that. But this looks like it's gonna go down. Bitcoin, don't mess me up, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting rejected a little bit. Now let's wait. How much you betting per trade? 100%. Are you using fixed leverage or varied each trade? Or just like, I think it's varied because, you know, 100%, whatever that is. I just joined, good luck. It's been 1.5 hours without any excitement, so, you know, entertainment. But 5-minute time frame, 4 seconds left. Good, it's back above the 10 moving average. See, closed above 10 moving average over here. But it's still consolidating down here. And did break this trend over here. Right now pulling back. I want to follow your financial advice. Yeah, that's the problem. By the way, guys, not a financial advice. I do this for fun. I'm not a trader, you know. I like to consider myself more investing kind of guy, spot only. But this 4 hourly looks so good, man. This 4 hour looks so good. I think it's gonna go. Yeah, I might be crazy, but you know, I think it's gonna go. But I would like it to go down over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you check Twitter, please? I post XRP chart. Very interesting. It's not Twitter, man. It's X. Notifications. Where do you post the chart? Fantastic stream, Tila. We just chilling even if there is no trade. Bubbly Fat is here, man. How you doing? Trading is just an expensive hobby. Yeah. Yeah, we just chilling. On your last X. My last X. Okay. Let's see here. There is nothing here, man. Fear is your friend. Lamps. There is no lamps. You need to tag me, man. But you know, usually I get notifications, but I didn't get any kind of notification. Maybe you tagged somebody else. Voice I'm sure interesting if you zoom out far enough. See, this is what I'm talking about, man. I wanna go so long. I wanna go long so bad. You know what? I'm gonna go with my instinct. No, I'm not gonna go with my instinct. Pulling back down. See, 1 hourly did this move over here. I think we can go all the way to 20 moving average over here. That's like, you know, 4% up, move up. $30-minute chart. Come on, do something. Either pull back or, you know. Over here it should have actually pumped. So when it comes like, you know, it breaks the trend. It should actually pump over here, but the fact that it didn't pump over here, that does give me a little bit, you know, bad vibes. So maybe it needs to go back. I'm totally on inch right now. Like, once I find something. Oh, look at a 1 minute candle, man. Cardano sitting on the support level down here. 5 minute time frame. Getting rejected by the 10 moving average. See, I think everything is gonna go down, because if Cardano goes down and Bitcoin goes down and everything goes down, that might be fine. Terra is very volatile. You find your trade looking at it. TRB. It's on Bybit. Ooh. 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 Very nice move. Very nice move. Double bottom. But we are not catching it down here. That's like 4% moves, man. That's too volatile. %67. This 5 minute candle is not doing anything, man. Big time at range low. I think it's gonna go down. That is the best, you know, scenario for long. If it goes down. Good thing I didn't trust my feelings. Oftentimes when I get, you know, FOMO-ish feelings, it's not good stuff. Especially at some kind of top. Getting rejected up here. This is still, you know, very, very small time frames, but you know. And you can see these moving averages, right? So it goes down 10 moving average, 20, pulls back down, 20 again, pulls back down, it gets above all of them and goes towards the upside. So this move up here can, you know, last until tomorrow, until we find the bottom. So it might actually go to, you know, create double bottom over here. And right now it's getting rejected, but it's slowly getting rejected, very, very slowly. On the other hand, Inch has this, Inch is down 9%, and there's still 3 hours left. We got our hourly close. Oh, look at that! Look at this bad doji up here at the top. So it might actually pull back over here and then go towards the upside. Best case scenario, right? Best case scenario. There we go. I don't know if this line is actually that correct. managed kind of hold up here. We're gonna see how this actually plays out. Kaspa is down a little bit. Again, still not much, but you know, all of these coins had these, you know, channels up here at the top. We should have actually just shorted stuff, because if we had shorted even up here, we would have gotten, you know, our 10% move. So, you know, there is that. And, you know, previously I wanted big moves. I was up like 30% several times, a lot of times, on a lot of trades. But, you know, I was, nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna, you know, it's perfect entry. It's perfect trade. You know, mental stop loss, all of that shebang. And then, you know, it goes up 30%. Now I'm gonna wait, and then it pulls back and pulls back more, and then you're, you know, your stop loss hits because it's back at, you know, your entry. So, and there we go. Kaspa is right now actually in red. This is pulling back. That's nice. I do not want to short this though. But doubling up down here is only 0.5. Algorand is doing the move. Four hourly. 1 hourly. How is lens? What is lens? This is the first lens. This is the first time I hear about lens. It's actually, it's spot on Bybit. We can't trade it, but it is just dropping down like crazy. So it looks like it's a new coin. I don't know if it's a new coin or not, but got list up here. Ever since it got listed, it's just been bleeding towards the downside. And this bleed, I mean, it's hard to say when it's gonna end. So we see a little bit bigger time frames over here. Looks like a exhaustion pattern. Like, if you ask me, this is exhausting, like you know what. And a shoulders pattern, right? What's up, man? Can you please just drop down? I don't think this is gonna drop down, guys. I don't think this is gonna drop down. 15 doji, hourly doji, like there are so many dojis. Closed above that. I'm gonna do it for entertainment. I don't know. Strong coins don't drop down. What's Bitcoin doing? In Bitcoin just zigzagging. Okay, man, just do something. Just put 10 at 50x is the same as 100 at 5. Nah, not gonna do that, man. I did that a lot before. Like people, you know, we are just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. Like, and then, you know, you lose money. Now, this time around, yeah, it's either a trade or there is no trade. I'm not gonna, you know, and I did feel pressured by the community in the chat community to do something. But, you know, this is the life. This is real life trading, you know, watching the charts, 5 minutes, like you just watch, you just sit there. This, you know, people think that trading is, you know, clicking buttons, you know, buy long, but no, buying, selling, you know, adjusting the leverage, that takes like, you know, 3 to 5 seconds. Click, 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 finished. You know, that's not trading. This is trading. This is real life trading. Sitting and watching the charts. Seriously, this thing is stupidly bullish. I'm just gonna long it over here. Because I think this channel up here might actually break towards upside. Downside over here right now, 75. Okay, let's look at 1 minute time frame. Maybe 1 minute. Come on, we all know you just got FOMO all in after this closing stream. Set alerts and wait. Yeah, we can set alerts. But after every move, go stop, go stop, go stop. Even on 1 minute time frames extended. Life. The ask is, you just draw a nice upward channel and grow bottoms. What heck? Because oftentimes when you have a channel, right? Yeah, so you got a nice channel and price, you know, comes up here and it starts, you know, flying up here. But this exhaustion pattern, but this actually looks strong, so you know the bottom should hold. But stuff that goes towards the upside has always more probability to break down. And it's on the small time frame, so when you have something like this, it often does this move and then goes towards the upside. So you know there is that. Look at this 1 hour candle, man. We could already be done with the trade. It's 1.3% up. It just keeps on going. Now it's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back on 1 hour time frame. If it doesn't, you know what? I cannot watch this. I'm gonna take 5-minute break again. I'm getting too, how are you gonna say it? You know, this was also one of the big problems previous trading. That, you know, the trigger anxiety. You're not quite sure whether you wanna, you know, go or not. You know, the probability works both sides. Sure. But Inch actually looks very, very nice. It's up right now 7.7%. I think on the 1 minute time frame when it pulls back, right now, it's started to pull back. I think we're gonna long that. I don't think we're gonna wait anymore. Where is the pullback, guys? Where is the pullback? Midline over here somewhere, right? Where is the midline? It actually broke up. No, the bottom line. Okay, pullback over here. Right there. And then go up, right? Goes a little bit quick towards the upside over here. High, high. How's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is not doing anything worthwhile. Gies van Hulzen. Hulzen! Long time no see, man. How you doing, man? Don't you just get mad at yourself, man? Now I have to watch, you know, trade going away from me. Nice, very nice. FOMO long. No, we're not doing FOMO. If we miss the trade, we miss the trade. That's the life. You miss trade, you miss trade. Come on, just put this money in. I'm waiting to call Bogdanov for too long. You know, I was just thinking, you know, maybe you guys messed me up, right? Because you knew I wanted a long inch, and then you were like, you know what, we're gonna go before him, and then you pumped it. You near started dribbling on this long. Yeah, I did. Oh man. But there was no pull. How can you just have a weak shape recovery, man? How can you just do that? How, you know, where is this move? Where is this move? I need this move. How can this happen? Doji up here. As soon as I saw it recovering over here above the 10 moving average, I kind of knew we kind of messed up. See, the doji up here played out, you know, perfectly. The best case scenario right now is having some kind of pullback. Honestly, my best trades have been FOMO longs. Not mine, I can tell you that. I'm not FOMOing long on 1 minute time frame, that's for sure. You catched us. On the other hand, it's interesting stream, right? So, you know, you get something, I get nothing, you know. So there's that. But the volume is still very low on the breakouts, so there we go. We are gonna pull back now. We're gonna pull back. No, we're not gonna pull back. Kaspa. Let's look at other coins while this is actually happening, because, you know, I cannot stand, you know, watching stuff go over. The day XRP done 100% some time ago was my best trade. The 100% happened when the XRP won the case. You probably went long over here, right? This move up here. That's, yeah, so that's the 100%. That's the when it won the case. Unfortunately, right now it's doing this, you know, whatever this is. Yeah. I get it when it pumped 50%. I hate XRP as well. I don't hate XRP. Like, I I think it's a dead coin, but you know, that's just me. But I don't understand these fundamentals of all the coins. What's gonna be used, what's not gonna be used, but you know, I really don't like the charts that look like this. I'm gonna show you. XRP, USD, T, USD, Kraken maybe. I don't like charts that look like this. You know, I don't like chart like this. Is two bull markets, and the price is just kind of, you know, standing down here at the bottom, right? Over here it's still, you know, kind of, you know, holding support, but you know, it's not doing anything. But you know, I don't like that, you know, the 2021 bull market didn't pass the 2017 bull market. I think it's a dead coin. Actually, if you go to my YouTube page, and go to videos, there is actually a video a little bit longer down here on the bottom. Where is it? This is like 3 months ago videos, but this one. Are you holding a dead coin? And what you're gonna notice here is that this is name coin and peer coin, but they kind of, you know, go down, less and less, right? So these two coins are, you know, 2011 coins or whatever they came out. So they were through the 3 bull markets: first bull market, second, third, fourth bull market, and they didn't go above. I mean, they do pump, but they didn't go above the, you know, previous all-time highs. So I don't like old coins that fail to get above previous all-time highs. I missed near buy order 6, it reached 6.001, missed by 001. It does happen. Sounds like a Muse song. No, this is, you know, one of the guys from the chat that made this. Vanalesva. Creative Force of Nature. Yes, as well. I made like $500. Very nice. DPEG stablecoin. Dead inside. Okay, we're gonna look at Inge again. What is doing on 1 minute time frame up here? Do we have any kind of pullback? Maybe there is pullback right now. It's not pumping after a breakout. But this is actually stupidly bullish. Like when you see this kind of moves over here, we just longed up here. I think it needs to get down here again. We're just gonna wait. Bitcoin. 4 hourly. We could have been done with the trade, guys. We could have been done with the trade. Ethereum is not dropping down either. And it still keeps on pumping. God damn it. Let's see. If he gets back in the channel, maybe. Maybe if it gets back in the channel, right? Let's look at the other coins up here. Meanwhile. Ooh, was this strong? No. What did I click right now? XLM. Yeah, that was XLM. XRD, XTC. It's rolling over. I hope so. Doesn't look like that just yet. I mean, on small time frames, maybe. But it would have been godly trade though. That's like 2.5%. That's like 25% move on 10x. See if we'll retest again. I mean, it's not that far away. And Bitcoin doesn't have any kind of pattern on the 4-hourly time frame, so you know, oftentimes, at least on 4-hour time frames, you do get something at the bottom. So you know, see up here, double bottom over here, or something like that over here, couple of, you know, you do get some kind of pattern. Right now, you know, unless this is some kind of, you know, V-shaped recovery up here, it's gonna create some kind of pattern, right? What's up, man? How you doing? The beauty's in the chat. Cardano hodler. Been looking at Cardano as well. But Cardano is still trading over here. But you know, the channel goes something like this. Now this thing is not gonna 689. My time in the market is now beating my timing in the market for sure. Very nice. Happy for you, man. Time in the market. You are the next Warren Buffett, man. Warren Buffett is the champion of time in the market strategy. Guys, debuting is the next Warren Buffett. Oh, guys, we got you know, Schillers in the chat. I'm guessing my channel is you know, timing the TLI is the next level. Hunt Boden on Sol. See here, this thing is looking, you know, this thing is doing what it's supposed to do. Goes down there, double bottom, goes up here, it goes for a third move down here, and then pounds towards upside. At least something is doing what's supposed to be doing. But it's kind of slowly, you know, slowly curving. Don't you guys see that? I think everything is slowly curving. Everything beside inch. You're big time now, Schillers. Yeah, I'll be big time. VeChain hitting resistance up here at the tops. Should go over here somewhere, right? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. How much towards the upside over here? 0.34. 5-minute VeChain. This thing needs to go down, right? Hi from Dubai. Is your inch trade open? I just joined. No, it's not open yet. We kind of missed it. We kind of missed that trade. So there is that. $0.75. See, back in the channel. Very nice. When are you planning to trade this? Hopefully tonight. If not, maybe tomorrow. There is no saying when. When the pattern becomes legit, when the targets get hit, when it's on the support be long, when it's on the resistance be short. Big day tomorrow, pump or dump day, get your popcorn ready. There is something interesting on X when it comes to, you know, they say that for the last 5, where is it? Somebody posted in the chat as well. Let me see that over here. So, for the last 5 FOMC, these are last 5 FOMC meetings. So, every FOMC meeting, the day prior to FOMC meeting, we dump, and then on FOMC meeting, we pump. Dump over here, we pumped afterwards. But you can see up here, big dump, big pump on the FOMC meeting. Over here as well, big dump, and then continue dumping a little bit, but then we, you know, reverse that towards the upside. The same thing is happening right now. Big dump just before the FOMC meeting, so, you know, when the moon phase, by the way. In a week, I think, 10 days or something like that. Get you the poster. It's roll. I'm missing inch over here. There we go. It failed to break towards the upside. But I wanted to. What is VeChain? I was just looking at VeChain. You know exact time for the moons or for the FOMC? I don't know exact time, but people are saying it's tomorrow. I took 25.5 and closed at 26, looking for re-entry. On inch, 25.5. Dude, you did not, you did not do this, man. You did not long at 25.5. How could you long at 25.5, man? This is 27. When did you say 26.6? Over here somewhere. Maybe up here. I don't know. Maybe you probably closed over here. You did? Legend! Guys, we got a legend in the chat. How did you do that, man? How did you do that? I want to know. How do people do that? Are you full-time trader? I'm not a trader, I'm an investor. We do this for fun. Another YouTuber took this trade. Okay. At 25.5. What's his name? I want to know. Sniper, watch out for a CME gap, mate. Spot. CME gap. You haven't watched my channel for a long time to know what I think about CME gaps. Almost 3 years. I've seen emergency streams timing the top on this 1 second stream. Why is Bitcoin dumping stream now going to hitting 1 million stream? Indian gun. It was Sheldon a sniper. Sheldon took inch trade live. No way. Is he live right now? Do you guys remember why we did the 400 to 1 million trading challenge before? Because snipers, did that. TLI is the next car. Just buy him Bugatti. Okay, let's go back to inch 750. Still 2 hours and 24 minutes. I think it's gonna go higher than this. So we're gonna wait a little bit on this one. Kaspa is back in green. Always small time frames. Cardano up here, still on the support level. I really don't like these moves, especially on coins that don't look very promising. Do you trust V patterns? Nah. I mean, V is not a pattern. It's just V recovery. Pattern is something that happens over time. Then you have a pattern. When it goes down and right back up there again, there is no pattern. Like if you look at over here, like you can say that this is a V-shaped pattern, but this is not a pattern. This is just recovery. Pattern is down here, so we gotta zoom in into it over here, and maybe there is some kind of pattern over here on the small time frames over here. Now this over here is pattern, right? This is a pattern, right? Pattern you can trade, but V-shaped recovery, really hard. You gotta. I see we all gonna make it. Eventually we're all gonna do that. So the problem up here is it does this move up here, it's curving up here, this looks like it's gonna break down, so forth. Where's VChain again? I think VChain up here. Inch BTC 4 hour looks downside. It's just been going steadily sideways over here and it even broke the trend. So right now it's doing this double bottom up here, or double top, whatever you want to call it. It's both of these. It's on the support level. I think there's a good chance for this to recover over here towards the upside. It created this very nice bottom, broke that, consolidating over here right now. I don't know, did I ever see like this recovery up here? Maybe. Ooh, it's going below the midline. These things go so fast, man. If inch breaks out 27.3, I'm getting in. You're gonna trade a breakout for much long now? No way, man. You wanna trade breakouts? Do you trade breakouts? Breakouts are the worst kind of things they can do. At least the way I see it. How can you trade breakouts? I don't get it. That's such a scam. Like, if you trade breakout, number one, you are trading breakout retest for sure. Nah, not even that. Breakouts are such scary things. Like, number one, even though if you trade breakout and retest, you're still FOMO in on the retest, man. And right now, you just saw what happened over here. We had a breakout. Technically, we had a breakout on inch over here. See the breakout? Anybody who went long over here got wrecked. If this is correct channel, right? Of course. See, breakout. Everybody got wrecked. Please check GNS. Guys, we got shielded in the chat. GNS. What do you want to know about GNS? Ooh. Oh, it's small time frames. It's in the box. I did look at this before though. See the arrow? I don't know what these, but these down here are these support levels over here. So, it's still waiting. It's still in the box. How long time? I don't know. These things can take a while. Weekly. Maybe soon. Weekly up here. If you got some kind of... We already have a doji, double doji up here. I think next week it might actually go up. Like this, if this becomes a doji this week, sorry, on 2 weeks, in 5 days time up here, I think it might actually go up next week. We already had a monthly doji. I'm gonna get second monthly doji, 90 days left. I don't know if that's gonna be the case. It looks good. If it's a good coin, of course. See 5 minute time frame up here. It bounced, but closed open below. Bitcoin is literally not moving. 3.23% down. It's just going kind of sideways over here. Everything is moving so slow. There is no volatility right now. It's good enough for me, man. Bearish. Broke up. Big move down. I don't know. I don't like inch anymore. Do you think Bitcoin is going to drop down? I think Bitcoin needs to do some another move towards downside over here. I don't know about you. I think it needs to do that. I think it's just waiting up here a little bit. These wicks on downside looks nice though. It already broke down. I think it's gonna go down. That means that everything is gonna go down. That means if you find something bad, this is a very steep channel towards the upside over here. But let me adjust the channel a little bit. Let's close the day at 66,707. 6707. On this line, where is this line coming from? This weekly. I don't know where the line is coming from. I don't know if it's gonna close down there though. I think this needs to do another move down. I mean, call me crazy, but I think it needs to do another move down. Life of a trader. Look at a 1 minute chart. By the way, chart hygiene looks one of the best I've seen. What do you mean by chart hygiene? Like, it's nice to look at, yeah. Big candles up here. Let's look at Inge, like what's happening on big time frames. Broke up there, consolidating over here. Missed entry again. That's the life, man. That's life weekly. Where are the resistance level and support levels? Major. Neat and clean, good to look at. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I take pride in my chart. I actually had like a 1 hour long video, and I've been telling people for a long time that when you are showing, when you are making charts, when you are, showing other people, it's really important to have a really clean chart, because if you have a messy chart, then nobody's gonna, react to your chart and look at your chart. And this goes when people are posting on X and whatnot, right, and in Telegram channel. So, it's important to have a clean chart and to show exactly what you want to, because people will often show, a lot of lines on the chart and moving averages and, maybe some indicators. I don't know, and they'll show chart like this and be like, hey man, look at this, how does this look like? What am I gonna look at? I'm gonna look at this part, I'm gonna look at the line, I'm gonna look at the indicators, like what am I gonna look at, right? I'm gonna look at the moving averages. So I tell people, when you're posting charts on X or Telegram or wherever, right? Remove everything that's unnecessary for what you wanna ask, and then, do the chart and say, how does my line look like, for example, right? Then people understand immediately, okay, this is the line that you want me to look at, right? Don't, but right now we are popping up everything and stuff like that, but, it is important to have a clean chart if you want to share your charts with other people. It is very important. If you want to get, of course, some kind of engagement. So there is that. I mean, there is no volume. There is no volume. We can just short over here. How much is upside over here? Doji up here on 5 minute time frame. Upside is like 0.14%. Just try. Solange. What is Solange? Is that Solana? Solana? I don't know, man. 8.8. Even this looks like it wants to break down. Good. But if everything wants to break down, I'm looking at this this move over here. Like entire move towards upside over here, it's just been bleeding down. Can we short VeChain? I think we can short VeChain. Why not? Like, why not, right? But even all the way down, it's not even 1%. Tino calls Solana with this name. I don't know. Challange. Tino, the most eloquently spoken guy on entire YouTube's, you know, crypto YouTube. Wait. Wait. She's gonna break the roof. No. No. Wait. Here. No. How do we... do this? Invert the chart. Invert the chart. Can we look at something else? Oh, we got a volume candles. What are volume candles? I don't know what volume candles are. Kanashi. Volume footprint. What is volume footprint? There we go. It crashed. Oh no. We got a volume footprint. I don't know. This is something new. This is something new. I don't know how people look at this, but you know. What this means? Delta. Total. I have absolutely no clue what I'm looking at, but you know, I look like a trader right now. You know, I got stuff on my chart. There we go. Professional trader. What SFV where is this? Oh, this is something new they added in trading. You can see new over here. There is also something called time price opportunity. It's also new. I don't know what this is. Time price opportunity. No clue. I don't know what this is. This is something new. But I have absolutely no idea what this means. 222, 129. No clue what this means. I need probably to read a book to understand, you know, these kind of things. It's a footprint chart, shows buyers and sellers for each candle. Very trendy currently. Yeah, trendy. We gotta be trendy, guys. We're gonna look at this chart. I'm gonna go long and short. No way. While we are messing around, this thing did the move that I didn't think it's gonna do. 5-minute chart. Boom! Did you see that? Okay, 5 minutes break, guys. How are we doing? You did it. That's good. It's all fun and games, guys. It's all fun and games. And where did we enter? This is Binance. Let's look at Inch USDT on Bybit. So we can This is the one. There we go. And then we can entry is at 27.0520. $27.0520. There we go. That's our entry, and let's launch. There we go. Okay, so far so good. The previous 5-minute candle is good because it was holding support level, right? So we don't have any kind of stop loss just yet. We're gonna go with the mental stop loss for now, and see how that plays out. Can you check Nosana? Sure, man. Sana. It's not a buy bit, but sure, man. Let me just look at it. Because I never heard about this before. This had the, lead in. It's just consolidating over here, but be afraid of this move towards downside, because this is a bump and dump pattern, right? Goes up here, bumps, and then dumps up here, consolidates, and it can move further towards downside. But see, it is sitting on some kind of support level, so there's that. Please give yourself a crypto time and look at the long time frames of Nikkei index. I have a short open. You're trading indexes, man. Those things move like 1% in a month. Nikkei 225. Maybe it's this one. Long time frames. Yeah, this actually looks very good. It's following the trend. Like, how long time frames are we talking about? Monthly, weekly? What kind of? This actually is breaking towards upside as well. Consolidating up here right now. I'm a little worried that it can do another move down over here, because it might actually start doing this. Let's do bottom over here. It might actually start doing this, channeling move up here before breakout or breakdown. But these weekly time frames, these things can take a while. So far so good. How much we up? So what is our, where is 10% up here from the upside? 10% is up there, right? This is, do we have a target line? Take profit. Maybe we should change the line a little bit up here. There we go, take profit. And we're gonna this is take profit target, take profit target. Okay, and we're gonna also do the take profit. Save. Yes, there we go. Because that's 10%, right? Weekly, monthly, I believe it's near a long-term top. I remember I was long gold a long time ago. I didn't hold the trade open long enough though. Yeah, I got you scared. I'm sorry about that, man. Don't believe YouTubers. I mean, 10% is good, right? 20%, like if I get 25 bucks, I'm gonna be happy. Because we started with 227, 25, that's gonna get us above 250. TP30. V-shape, nah, it's cooking. So far so good, but yeah, let's see. Like, I mean, it's such a small move, man. 1194, I'm up. Nice. It's going nicely so far. But right now I cannot let it go back below the long entry right now, because it's so much up right now. So what we have to do right now, because you know in the start we have mental stop loss, but after one point there is no mental stop loss right now. So stop loss right now, our stop loss is 25. 0520, right? Sorry, not 25, 27, right? 0, confirm. So we have a stop loss right now at our entry. So we're gonna lose the fees if it goes back down again. Because it doesn't make any sense right now to keep top, because once we open it, it can go still a little bit down and then towards the upside or whatnot. But once it's, you know, up there, but it's fun, even it's small. Of course, we are only doing this for fun, guys. It is only fun. Come on, tap that line, man. Tap the line. 90 bucks. 20 bucks. There we go. I think it tapped the line. Let's let it go a little bit. No, it's kind of curving. 5 seconds time frame. Don't disappoint me now, man. Just a little bit more up. I swear I'm not gonna be greedy. How is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is actually recovering nicely. Bitcoin is recovering nicely. Close the sucker. 25 bucks, 25 bucks, 23 bucks. If I mark it close, I'm not gonna get 25 bucks. I think it can go to 25 bucks. Don't you guys think 25 bucks, like a little bit above that? How much my fees? Fees are $1.3. So if it goes to 20, like 26, 27 bucks, then we get our 25 bucks. 24 bucks. I swear, I'm not gonna be greedy. I mean, this is the least I can, you know, it can do. Come on, man, not double top up there again. Don't do the dodgy on me. Don't do the dodgy. Come on, man. I thought we are friends. There we go. A little bit more up. Come on, you can do this. Double top up here. I swear we're gonna have a profit on this trade. I swear. Market close. Confirm. There we go. Okay, so it is the very first trade. We are up 245 bucks. By the way, guys, see up here. Can we rename the tab? Just a second, let me figure out how do you do this. Oh yeah. Trading challenge. So it was inch, which what day is it? 12.6 inch long 10x. Started 227 and in the 245. I don't know how many percentages. So we gotta keep the track record of our trades, so we know if we are doing well or not. There we go. We did close the trade, guys. We did close the trade. It is very first trade. I don't care if it's a small trade. You know, I don't care if it goes up. 10% is 10%, which is nice. I mean, can you complain about 10%? No, it's good. It's good. It started breaking down a little bit up here. I was like, you know what? I just want to have profit. I just wanted this very first day one, to be in profit, and we are in profit, guys. There we go. We did well. 10% stamp. I mean, it is, you know, 1 minute trades and stuff like that. It can go very much higher than that. I mean, this definitely gonna go up very much higher than that, I think, right now. I mean, it just looks too good, right? But the way I see it right now, it's okay trade. It's okay trade. It's a trade. It's a 10%. It's 10% trade. It's okay. We have more than we started, so there will be day 2 tomorrow. Make sure to, you know, subscribe and put notifications on, and join our public Telegram chat, because why not? But we have money enough right now to do the day 2. Just next try and buy, but I did buy at the bottom, just not at the bottom where I wanted to buy. So the thing is, if you look at over here, what happened is first we wanted to buy over here, right? But we are thinking it might actually break down, and then it started going up, and we were looking for a pullback. There was no pullback, it just went up. The good thing is that we didn't FOMO in, right? And it did pull back. When it was pulling back, I was looking at Bitcoin over here, and Bitcoin was doing this move over here, and I was looking at it can pull back towards upside. And when I saw that, I understood that the pullback over here is coming towards that, and it started running away from me, and I was like, damn, it's bouncing off of the support level, and I was like, you know what, let's just go long. So it was okay. It was okay. It did buy support, not the perfect support, but you know, it was some kind of support level. It went down, which is good. We didn't FOMO in. We managed to not FOMO in, which is very good. And there's that. There is that. So far, so good. Anyways, guys, we got $245. So tomorrow there will be day 2, and we will trade more. Another, you know, 2 to 5 to 10 long hours live stream there will be. But you know what we have to do? We have to add account size, account position. Count how much trade you need until 1 million. I don't want to do that. We're just doing this for fun, you know. When we get to 500,000, we're gonna start doing that. But what we have to do over here is no, not this one. Not this one. By the way, subscribe. It is not approved, so I can't hack it. This is a long time ago. Okay, we can use this one. Can I just lock everything? There we go. Okay, and then we do the interest text, but interest text is not going to be locked. And over here we're going to write account size 245. And I did front 245. So, you know, people tend to ask, you know, how much is account at now? So we're going to put it up there. There we go. Why close the trade? Because that was my target. 10%, 10x, 1% up. That was the only thing. The problem I had before, I already did the 410 million trading challenge and stuff like that before. And, you know, I would be up like 20-30% a lot of times, and then it would pull back, right? Because I waited just too long. So this time around, you know, I don't want to be greedy. I think I was way too greedy before, because I do know that, you know, stuff can pump, you know, and it's gonna probably pump, but you know, 10% is 10%. So, you know, I'm gonna try to feed my ego with small trades. So you will do this every day now. I will do this as long as I feel good. Tell me your timing so I can join. I don't know, it's probably up night because in the morning we do Bitcoin daily. During the day I don't have time because, you know, kids. So it's, then yeah, I also have a job during the day. And I'm not rich, not yet. So, you know, day job. I gotta have that, you know, that's something that, you know, pays the bills. Where should I fix my Challange 100x? No way, man. But around 8, 9 o'clock, 8, 9 p.m. like this, right? Like 2-3 hours before. We started 2 hours and 44 minutes ago. So maybe something like, you know, 8, 9 p.m. But by the way, join our public Telegram chat. And in our public Telegram chat, you can do it like this over here. There we go. If you join our public Telegram chat, we got TLA new videos. So I post all my videos over here. So you can put notifications on over here and get notifications for all my videos and live streams. Can I not? So you can put notifications on, but I put, you know, my videos up here. This is in public Telegram chat, so you're welcome to join. Oh, look at that, some guy joined. Oh, spam alert. We got spammers in the chat. You're really actually into it. Over 5 million euros is future app. Woohoo, we got spammers. We gotta get a bot. We gotta get a bot in the Telegram chat. And mods, eventually. See, it's going up from my entry at 27.3. How further will it go? It will go pretty high up. TLA! Andrew, how you doing, man? Perfect, I will join now. There you go. Next time, please be prepared to stream. Task, moon, and zodiac phase are important. Yeah, so we missed a whole bunch of, you know, gains and stuff like that. But I just want to have a win. It doesn't matter how much. It's 227 bucks. You know, I just want to have a win, and I'm happy, man. I'm happy. Sure, we could have some other time, but the whole point of the stream was to get the 10% in, regardless of whether it can go up and down, because it's 10x, 10% is nice, you know. Account is a little bit bigger, and you know, we happy. How much dollars you have now? It literally says on the screen. I put 245. So you know, we good. There will be day 2 tomorrow, guys. Come back tomorrow. By the way, put the notifications on the YouTube channel, subscribe on all the shebang, and we'll do more streams. Day 2 tomorrow. Day 2 tomorrow. Where is this repeating over here? Should I close at 28.47? I don't know, man. Yeah, I haven't actually watched, you know, targets up here, but I'm gonna tell you something over here on this. If this is truly the channel right now, these rising channels that break towards upside, they tend to be very, very bullish. So that said, also when it comes to 4-hourly time frame, see this doji was magnificent piece of things. I think this 10-20 moving average right now might be very, very interesting right now. Also, this is morning doji. Morning doji started reversal pattern up here. So if it closes up here above that, it might even go even higher up here towards the upside up here. But I will be looking at these 10-20 moving averages up here right now for whatever reason, right? It looks so good. Like button, guys. There you go. So, anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the night. I'm gonna go and sleep. Day 2 tomorrow. Bye bye.